The world of material handling is evolving rapidly. To keep up, you need more than just a rack vendor. You need a partner. Steel King Industries provides hardworking products and forward-thinking solutions to take your business to the next level. For over 50 years, Steel King has built a national reputation manufacturing durable, high-quality material handling products. We are the nation's only single-source manufacturer of pallet racks, dynamic rack systems, pick modules, mezzanines and work platforms, cantilever racks, industrial containers, and industrial safety guard railings. Our in-house team of professional engineers and designers are uniquely qualified to assist you in planning and executing your material handling system and overcome all your material handling challenges.
Steel King is the answer for us, and we've learned over decades of doing this that we can always rely on Steel King. We've come to expect nothing but the best out of Steel King, and we've come to expect nothing but honesty and integrity with how we do business, and they've represented that every step of the way. We feel confident that there isn't a project that we can't touch because we know we've got Steel King Engineering behind us, and we know that we're going to get innovative ideas on how to get things done for our customer.
In 2015, Werner Electric Supply decided that we needed to build a new corporate office and a new central distribution center for our electrical supply business. The racking supplier we chose for the project was Steel King. They had a quality price. They were able to meet the schedule that we needed. They brought an innovative solution to the pick module, and my experience working with them over various projects had proven to me that they could hit the timetable and the budget that we had set. I've been working with Steel King for over 25 years. The quality of their product, the dedication of their team, their ingenuity to help develop solutions that make racking more than just a place to store product, but really help develop a solution, are second to none.
Steel King consistently delivers on their commitments better than any other companies that I work with. There is no factory that I interface with that has a higher customer service standard than Steel King. Over the last 10 years of working with Steel King, I find them to be very professional, and the work ethic that is prevalent at Steel King is evident in everything that they do.